All right, you guys, we're making an It's Skinny fettuccine dish. We're gonna start with some chicken. I got some thighs, olive oil, salt, pepper. You can use any chicken you want. Rotisserie chicken already done, grilled, broiled, whatever you wanna do. Cremini mushrooms, leeks, heavy cream, spinach, and of course, It's Skinny fettuccine, 2 bags. All right, you guys, we're gonna slice our mushrooms, set them aside, get our spinach in a bowl, and cut our leeks in half and then slice them. You wanna make sure that you wash your leeks really well. They're usually sandy. I love leeks. I think they're underrated. So good with pasta. Okay, we're gonna set that aside, and here's our chicken. Roasted, beautiful. I'm gonna cut it up, put it aside, get ready to start cooking. All right, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Saute our leeks for about a minute till they start to soften. Oh, that's me. Then we're gonna add our mushrooms. This will take about 4 minutes to cook. Salt and pepper. Once that's cooked and wilted down nice, and on a medium to low heat, we're gonna add our spinach. Once our spinach goes in and it wilts, I'm gonna add a 1/2 cup of heavy cream. You can add a cup, just let it reduce. Remember, this is guilt-free. All right, add our chicken in there. Look how good this looks. That is so good, you guys. Okay, and then once that's all mixed together, we're gonna add our It's Skinny fettuccine, give it a good toss, get all those flavors nice and happy together, put it in a bowl. Look at that. Lots of Parmesan cheese, lots of lemon zest. This dish is so good, takes about 10 minutes. Enjoy.